What was the name of the place where Jesus met the disciples? Lake Galilee. There were 7 disciples that went fishing. Can you remember any of their names? Peter, Thomas, Nathanael, James and John, and 2 others. How long had they been fishing? All night long. What did Jesus tell them to do? Throw your net on the right side of the boat and you will find some fish. Who jumped into the water to greet Jesus? Peter. How many fish did they catch? 153. What did they eat for breakfast? Bread and fish. What did Jesus ask Peter 3 times after breakfast? Do you love me? Why did Jesus ask him 3 times? To show Peter that he was loved and forgiven for denying him. Why do I call this story BBQ on the Beach? Because on the beach, Jesus had made a fire with burning coals.